nalaglag ang cellphone mo.
Right.
Okay. Ano pa talaga? Record pa yan? Live
Live na natin.
Live mo na yun. Live na, no?
Come on, guys.
When my rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway, like the baby ocean hearts and soul, hold me close, sway and roll, like a solid lady in the sea, everything, sway with me, like the dance you were made, stay with me, stay with me. Dancing on the floor, near my eyes, with only you have the magic in me. When you say I go
Tingnan ko nga lang yung pasensela, wala pa dyan. Ano yun? 168. Oo, 168. Nasayo ka ah. Turo mo na sa kasama mo talaga. Other dancers will be on the floor. They will have you.
only you are the magic in me. When you say I go I can hear somebody breathe. You're the one who goes. It's me. Everything I told me you know how. Sway and smooth, sway and high. When the rhythm starts to play, everything makes me say, like hold me close, sway and roll.
Yan na, gising na siya oh.
Come on, it's beautiful Sunday. It's beautiful Sunday. Ay, pagin naman. Sunday morning, when we're alive, I think I'll take out walking the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Come on. Someone waiting for me.
Wala pa pala. Ay, tayo mo, John, ano nangyayari sa akin? Para tayo nasa sayawan na. Eh, yan na po!
that you love me. Oh my, it's a beautiful day. Birds are singing by my side. Let's take out a car and go for a ride. Hey, hey,
Dok, tumatawag ka?
beautiful day. Palabasa, making Sunday going on. Hey, hey, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Ah, 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 beautiful
Abot pa yun po
Sunday.
dyan.
This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh my, it's a beautiful day.
Eh, si Bimbo sa aking girlfriend niya. Si Bimbo sa aking girlfriend niya. Nag-text ako isang araw. Kasi yung edition sa TV5 sa Ibulaga, mga kopoy. So, nag-edition sila. Tapos nakapasok sila.
Kailan nga ba naman?
Wednesday, live. Ang tinanong sa nila, ulam na inuulit, pagkain na inuulit-ulit. Kare-kare. Nakuha nila yan, kare-kare. Inuulit-ulit. Paksiw-paksiw. Wala, tato ka na.
Akala ko inuulit, nililihit.
Hindi, inuulit-ulit yung pangalan.
Okay.
Kare-kare. Bilo-bilo. Sapin-sapin yung nahulaan nila. Ang di nila nahulaan, halo-halo at kapoy. Tapos, after nun, hindi, audition. Tapos, pinahulaan sa kanila, side mirror. Eh, sabi niya, kotse. Sabi ng girlfriend niya, pwede. Tapos sabi niya, truck? Tapos nagsasabi.
Oh, Tita, next.
Ano yan?
Teka, assist natin si ma'am doon. I bet siya, maraming pa to. Hazard.
May hipasa sa kanila.
Ikaw ba yan, brother? Ikaw ba yan? Ginusto na yan, di ba?
Sabi na, mag-ikot lang ako sa harap.
Kaya nga eh.
Video ba yan?
Kaya, yan, ginusto na yan.
Francie!
Privacy, attack! Kayanin yung lalim! Pero hindi, kinaya ni Acdelia. Huwag kayo susuko. Ay, darating din. Privacy! Ayan. Diba? Gaganon ba na? Tayo. Welcome to Boracay. Ako yan rin ha. Primes tayo. Masaya kayo dyan?
Yeah, we're having it. Of course. Pwede extend dito.
We're going to do the island hopping, guys. Island hopping.
Oh, swim na lang ako. Ganda. Hello.
Hello po.
Uy.
Patawarin mo lang.
Iba ka talaga, tita. Ay, sus! Ay, yan.